His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, Trustees of Raman Magsaysay Award Foundation, distinguished guests, members of Raman Magsaysay family, ladies and gentlemen. This award has come at a very crucial juncture for me. It is a triumph of our national motto, which is Satyameva Jayate. Ultimately, truth prevails. For me, it is not a personal reward, but it is a tribute for all the honest and sincere civil servants who are fighting similar battles at their own workplaces. The concept of an All India service, to which I belong, is a very unique feature of our Constitution, where officers are recruited by the central government, but they occupy all the strategic positions in the state governments. The founding fathers of our Constitution were very well aware of the importance of these services in good governance, and in the words of Sardar Patel, one of Constitution's founding fathers and our first Home Minister, the Union will go. You will not have a united India if you have not a good All India service which has the independence to speak out its mind, which has a sense of security that you will stand by your word, and that after all there is the Parliament of which we can be proud, where the rights and privileges are secure. This Constitution is meant to be worked by a ring of services which will keep the country intact. Like many other developing countries of Asia, in our country also, corruption is a very serious problem. This is not just about money changing hands, but is linked to basic human dignity and the dreams of our young generation in ensuring a fair recruitment system, delivery of public services, and issues of illegal mining and deforestation leading to climate change. There is no such effective antidote to this problem as honest and robust civil services. No amount of individual activism or voluntary action, however genuine, can replace this. I would like to remind those here what the late President Raman Magsaysay had said, that it is the duty of the government to bring dignity to the life of every citizen, and that once you are in the government service, you cease to belong to all other affiliations and belong exclusively to the people. During my tenure in environment, forest and healthcare sectors, I had to face stiff resistance from some of the most powerful elements of the system on a range of issues, including illicit felling of trees, poaching of rare species, corruption in afforestation projects, supply of dubious medicines, irregularities in government recruitments, vested interest in purchase and supply of medical equipments, and the problem of large-scale absenteeism of the health workers. However, I was able to bring these issues to a logical conclusion, as in our country the system of checks and balances is still working, and there are institutions in the form of judiciary, parliamentary committees, and independent media to provide support. Majority of our population is in the age group of 15 to 35 years, and there is a very strong urge to eradicate corruption and to bring a transparent and equitable system. This popular mood was reflected in the anti-corruption movement of year 2011 and in recent elections. I sincerely hope that pressure built by this young generation will help to eradicate the problem of corruption. I once again express my sincere gratitude to the Foundation for honoring me with such a prestigious award. This will give me further strength to fight the evil of corruption and will act as a huge moral booster for all the honest and sincere civil servants. I accept this award with a huge sense of responsibility and promise to try my best to live up to the standards set by the luminary community of Magsaysay awardees. Thank you.